Hey guys, it's me, Judy Carrasco, the Healthy Hair Speaker, coming to you today with a very quick and easy tutorial. I'm going to show you how to finesse your curls featuring Artofbeautyproducts. So I've already previously shampooed my hair with Purity sulfate-free shampoo. It's very, very hydrating and great for detangling as well. And then I also did my Confidence Deep Conditioning Mask, which is great for detangling and for softening the curls as well too. That helps to repair the hair. And these products are full of amazing extracts and botanicals. And I'm going to go in with Grace Thermal Styling Mist because I am going to just stretch my curls out a little bit. I'm not going to have my hair completely dry. I'm only going to do about maybe 30% dry because the star of this tutorial is Finesse. Finesse All-in-One Styler is great for accentuating your curls. So anyone that wants to enhance their curls, this is amazing for that. And I'm going to do a flat twist set with perm rods on the end. And I'm going to do it overnight. I'm going to sleep overnight in them so that way you guys can see my style in the morning. So, like I said, I've already put, shampoo. I've already shampooed my hair. I've already conditioned my hair. I'm going to start with a drop of preserved serum because it is antioxidants. Literally just one drop, maybe just a little more. 2 drops. And then I emulsify that in my hands, focusing more on the ends. And what this is going to do is going to seal in all of the goodness that I am using in my hair today. Now I'm going to go in shaking up my Grace Thermal Mist really well. And I'm just going to go in. This is a great leave-in and thermal protection. And again, we're only using this and we're only going to use a blow dryer to dampen, just to dry the hair until it's about 30% dry. We do want to leave some moisture in the hair from the water. We don't want to completely dry the hair. And then we're going to proceed with our flat twist and our perm rods on the end. And that's just so that way our hair can have a wonderful finish. And I'm going to sleep in it as well too. If you have a dryer, you can't sleep. You can sit under the dryer. I do recommend, if you do have pre-existing scalp conditions like psoriasis or eczema, seborrhea, dermatitis, please sit under a dryer under cool air. Do not sit under a dryer under high heat because that's actually going to cause more dryness, and the dryness leads to inflammation. Okay, so I'm just detangling here. And then I'm going to go in with a blow dryer, just again, very light blow dry, and that's just to remove some of the moisture. Alright, so we're not completely drying it. As you can see, I still have some moisture left in my hair. Alright, voila, there we have it. And my hair is still moist, and we're going to take some of the Finesse. And I am going to start with, depending on how you want your flat twist to flow, I'm going to do a part here, and then I want some volume here and volume in the middle here. So I am actually going to part this like so. Is going to help. You see how it's curling up? So it's a curl accelerator, not accelerator, accentuator. quick go to flexi rod and perm flat twist set, featuring again Finesse all-in-one styler that helps to accentuate your curls, resist humidity, and it's a primer so it helps the hair to dry faster. I use Grace Thermal Styling Mist to blow dry my hair just a tad to remove at least 30% of the water, and then I use Preserve Serum. It's an antioxidant that helps to smooth and helps to repair the hair as well too. And I shampoo featuring Purity sulfate-free shampoo, which is a great preservative. It helps to preserve color and antioxidants as well too, and our Confidence Deep Conditioning Mask. So stay tuned once I do my hair so you guys can see how it looks dry. Hi y'all. Alright, so I'm back to show you guys the takedown. I did sleep with my Artofbeautyproducts Studio satin bonnet, my silk bonnet I should say, and then I am now unraveling my perm rods so that way I can do the opening of them. Remember, I did begin my shampoo with my Purity sulfate-free shampoo because it's very hydrating. It's wonderful for color-treated hair such as myself. The natural antioxidants have you know, the ability to strengthen the hair and also to repair the hair. It has powerful UV filters if you go outside. It protects your hair from the UV filters from the sun, and this is amazing. It's gentle, it's sulfate-free, paraben-free, no alcohol. It's a vegan formula, great to use on hair extensions as well too. And you can see some of the extracts we have, which is CBD, moringa oil, and then we also have amazing extracts as well too. So after that, I went in with the P31 Studios Confidence Conditioner, and then I went in with the Grace Thermal Styling Mist. Okay, the Grace Thermal Mist is excellent for anyone who's going to do any heat styling. That's not a silk press, so if you're relaxed, even if you're natural and you want to just stretch your curls out a little bit so that way you can you know, not have as much shrinkage, the Grace Thermal Styling Mist, which is this here, is what I use. And again, this is excellent for heat protection, and you can see all of the amazing extracts it has, such as passion fruit, sugar cane, and it's amazing for softening. It helps with blow drying and also to softening the hair as well. And afterwards, what I did was I went in with a cocktail. I cocktailed the Preserve Serum, 2 drops of the Preserve Serum, along with the Finesse all-in-one styler. Finesse all-in-one styler is excellent for flat twisting. If you're going to just put in as a leave-in treatment, this is amazing. It's also a blow dry comb, so if you want to blow dry your hair, as you can see, it has sunflower oil, has biotin in it to strengthen the hair, passion fruit, and Brazilian nuts. And then also to Preserve Serum, which is an antioxidant serum that helps to strengthen and repair the hair, enhance the shine of the hair with Brazilian nut extract and cocoa and passion fruit and bacteria as well too. So I'm just taking out the perm rods, and then we're gonna go ahead and open up this style. All right, so using Preserve Serum, I'm gonna put literally a drop in my hand. Y'all, it smells so good. And I'm gonna just go in, and then I'm gonna start with the takedown. You always wanna make sure that you take down the hair based on the direction that you wrap the curl and that you twisted the hair as well too. And also too, make sure as you're unwrapping, make sure you're unwrapping it, and then also too, twisting it around your fingers to get all of the Preserve Serum on your hair. All right. soft hold, okay? It's not going to be crunchy at all. It's a very, very soft hold. That's for anyone who likes soft hold. It's not going to be that crunchy feeling where you feel like, your hair is a brick and it doesn't have any body or movement, okay? So there's a very soft hold while helping with reducing frizz, and also too, your hair is healthy because of the antioxidant power in Artofbeautyproducts Serum and our lovely Grace Thermal Mist as well too. So again, you gotta go throughout the hair, and I'm gonna show you how to create volume. If you have fine hair such as myself, fine hair meaning you don't have a lot of density and your hair is fine, you're going to have to manipulate the hair a little bit in order to get more of the texture and density and that look of fullness. So one reason why I like doing my twists horizontal, because the horizontal gives it that look of fullness versus if I was going to do it horizontal is going to give me that more laid down look, and vertical gives me more of that voluminous look. As you can see here, it's coming out more because of me doing it vertically in my flat twist. I didn't even do the volumizing technique yet, but you can see how soft my hair looks and how full of body it is. It's very lightweight, very easy to use. So the trick to getting volume when you have fine hair is this. You're going to take yourself a big tooth comb and you're going to just stretch. See that? You're going to go in, stretch. Go in, stretch. Go in, stretch. Go in, and also to go in, I am going in like zigzag because these lines, I want to cover these lines up. So go in zigzag and stretch. Zigzag, stretch. Okay, and then you just use your hands, fluff it around. See how much more volume I have in my hair. Okay, and then over here too. This look going, I am going to go in with poise, and I'm going to use poise literally spray, hold, and you want to hold it for at least 10 seconds. 10 seconds is going to set it in place, and voila, keeps the volume right there. Hold it 10 seconds. In place. You really want to make sure that you're holding poise. Here it is here. Hairspray at least 6 to 10 inches away from your hair, because you don't want it right on the hair. Okay, you want to keep it away because you're going to get more coverage that way. Activate the ingredients, and I'm just gonna go right over here with my little baby hairs and a little bit right here. And guys, you don't even need a comb, you can just use your finger, but you know, for extra sassiness, I am gonna use my comb just a little bit. Flat, just go mask with CBD. I also use Grace Thermal Styling Mist as a heat protection so I can stretch out my curls before I did my flat twist and my comb rod set. I flat twisted my hair using Finesse all-in-one styler and Preserve Serum. I cocktailed them together, and then I did a flat twist, did perm rods on the ends, and now I use Preserve Serum again to open them back up. I did a little bit of poise hairspray with argan oil, and I finished off my style with P31 Studios Edge Tamer and our hair polish by P31 Studios as well too. So this is my hair, y'all. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this was a blessing to you.